Number 1. 1978 Ford F-150 Custom Super Cab, $2,400, Shelby Township, Michigan. This 1978 Ford F-150 Custom Super Cab is a promising restoration project with only 53,048 miles and just 2 owners since new. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission, the truck starts and runs, and it recently received a new battery. However, the braking system requires repairs, so it must be towed before road use. The 1978 model belongs to the respected 6th generation of the Ford F-Series, known for its rugged body-on-frame construction, durable FE and Windsor engines, and excellent aftermarket support. With low mileage and a solid foundation, this truck could become a dependable classic driver or rewarding restoration. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed, $1,800, Croswell, Michigan. This 1989 Chevrolet Silverado Long Bed is an affordable square body pickup that still runs and drives despite its age. The truck has an automatic transmission, although the seller notes the replacement engine makes the actual mileage unknown. It needs a rear brake line, a new exhaust donut gasket, and the factory radio does not work. As one of the final years of the legendary square body generation, this Silverado remains popular for its timeless styling, simple mechanical design, and excellent parts availability. It offers an inexpensive entry into classic truck ownership with room for gradual improvements. Number 3. 1978 Ford F-250 Highboy Flatbed, $3,500, Bruce Township, Michigan. This 1978 Ford F-250 Highboy Flatbed is an attractive project featuring an apparent rebuilt 360 cubic inch FE V8, a manual transmission, and the desirable divorce transfer case. The seller describes the frame and body as exceptionally clean, while the driver's floor has been repaired and a replacement passenger side floor panel is included. Highboy trucks are highly collectible because of their factory suspension height, rugged drivetrain, and off-road capability. Although the assembled title should be verified, this truck offers an excellent foundation for restoration or trail use. Number 4. 1978 Dodge W200 M880 military truck, $9,500, Sandusky, Ohio. This 1978 Dodge W200 M880 is a unique military specification pickup with an interesting service history. Originally built for military use before serving as a brush fire truck in Arizona, it retains its original 318 cubic inch V8 and 727 automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs and shifts well, and the restored body is rust-free. Military Dodge trucks are valued for their durability, heavy-duty construction, and distinctive appearance. Combined with relatively low mileage and a clean body, this example would make an outstanding collector vehicle or weekend cruiser. Number 5. 1989 Ford F-350, $4,500, Romeo, Michigan. This 1989 Ford F-350 is a heavy-duty pickup powered by a dependable 5.8-liter V8 and an automatic transmission. With 114,000 miles, the seller describes it as a solid truck, making it a practical candidate for work or restoration. Ford's 8th generation F-Series earned an excellent reputation for durability, towing capability, and long service life. This truck appears to offer a solid platform for anyone seeking a dependable vintage heavy-duty pickup. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed, $5,000, Ridgeway, Ohio. This 1987 Chevrolet 1500 square body is a solid running long bed pickup with only 55,918 miles. The seller reports a solid frame, a strong running engine, and brand new wheels and tires. Cosmetic flaws are present, but appear mostly superficial. The 1987 model marks the final production year of Chevrolet's iconic square body generation. Thanks to its historical significance and strong enthusiast following, it offers excellent collectible potential while remaining practical for weekend driving. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, $2,800. Ubly, Michigan. This 1986 Chevrolet 1500 long bed is a straightforward square body pickup that runs, drives, and stops properly. With 85,000 miles, a clean history, and a paid-off title, it provides a solid starting point for affordable classic truck ownership. Square-body Chevrolet pickups remain among the easiest classics to restore, thanks to exceptional parts availability and aftermarket support. This example appears to offer good value as a budget-friendly restoration project. Number 8. 1950 Ford F1, $3,500. Bridgman, Michigan. This 1950 Ford F1 is a running and driving project truck that captures the timeless character of Ford's first-generation F-Series. Although it currently has no functioning brakes and must be towed, the seller notes it comes with good wheels and tires and is willing to assist with delivery. Introduced shortly after World War II, the F1 helped establish Ford as a leader in the American pickup market. Its rounded styling, simple design, and strong collector demand make it one of the most desirable early post-war pickups. Number 9. 1987 Ford F-250 long bed, $1,500. Dayton, Ohio. This 1987 Ford F-250 long bed is an inexpensive work truck powered by the dependable 351 Windsor V8 and an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives, but needs a tune-up and replacement of the driver's side floor. The seller also notes new tires, a solid frame, and no factory air conditioning. Despite its higher mileage and multiple previous owners, this F-250 still offers excellent value because of its durable drivetrain and heavy-duty construction. It would make a practical, budget-friendly project. Number 10. 1986 Nissan Hardbody Regular Cab Short Bed, $2,500. Sanders, Kentucky. This 1986 Nissan hardbody pickup is powered by the dependable 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, and functional four-wheel drive with locking hubs. Despite nearly 292,000 miles, the seller describes it as reliable enough for daily driving and highway speeds. Minor issues include a carburetor adjustment, a non-functioning speedometer, and a small oil leak. Nissan hardbody pickups are well known for reliability, making this an appealing, affordable, vintage utility truck. Number 11. 1986 Ford F-350 dump truck, $8,750. Milton, West Virginia. This 1986 Ford F-350 dump truck is equipped with the legendary 460 cubic inch V8, a 4-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a fully operational power takeoff dump bed. The seller has replaced major components including the clutch, brakes, steering, fuel system parts, tires, and ignition components. Although it still has typical work truck rust and minor electrical issues, it continues to perform reliably. Classic heavy-duty Ford trucks remain highly valued for farm, ranch, and commercial use because of their rugged design. Number 12. 1965 Ford F-100, $9,500, Fairfield, Connecticut. This 1965 Ford F100 is an attractive patina truck powered by a 352 cubic inch FE V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic transmission. It features long tube headers, nearly new tires, and a solid structure with mostly surface rust. The seller recently completed a 35-mile drive without mechanical issues. The 4th-generation F100 is admired for its clean styling, comfortable ride, and dependable engineering. This example offers an excellent balance between originality and drivability. Number 13, 1969 Ford F500 Stake Body Lift Gate, $850. Conestoga, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Ford F500 Stake Body is a rare medium-duty commercial truck that previously served as a Coca-Cola delivery vehicle. It is equipped with a 391 cubic inch V8, a 4-speed manual transmission, a solid frame, and a working hydraulic liftgate. According to the seller, it should run with only a fresh battery. Classic commercial trucks are increasingly popular because of their historical significance and distinctive appearance. This F500 presents an excellent restoration or promotional vehicle opportunity. Number 14, 1987 GMC 1500 Square Body Long Bed, $2,500. Chaptico, Maryland. This 1987 GMC 1500 Square Body Long Bed is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 throttle body injection engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, although the engine has failed and requires replacement or rebuilding. Fortunately, the seller describes the body as exceptionally solid, making it an excellent restoration project. Square-body GMC trucks continue to grow in popularity because they share the rugged engineering and classic styling of their Chevrolet counterparts, while remaining slightly less common. With its solid body, this truck could become an excellent restoration or engine swap project.